Welcome back. Okay, we've got the Range Rover running. She's loping a little bit. Not sure where that's coming from, but she's getting warmed up. We've got the new fuel relay in, so it's running really well. Yay. All right, so what are we gonna do today? We're gonna do some more rust preventative, and some of the stuff we've already cleaned off has already started to rust again, and we also have to finish the second half of the floor bed. So we're gonna be doing a lot of rust scratchy stuff off. I'm still getting over the chest cold and the sinus infection, so I'm gonna wear a mask today, I think. Normally wouldn't. See, there you go. Normally wouldn't, but that's what we're gonna start on today. Bunch of grinding, and we'll see where we get on that, and then we'll talk more. All right, let's get started. Oh, I hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving. We did. We had 20, I think, people. John and Susan, my wife's sister and brother-in-law, came over and their two kids and their kids. And then Frank and Bettina came over, and as they always do. And then I had all of mine, and my granddaughter brought an extra. She brought a boyfriend. So I think it was 20 when it was all said and done. It was nice to have family all in the house together again, and we had a good time, and the food was great. We upgraded our food prep this year. We added chafing dishes for the meat. Game changer. We'll chafing dish all of the sides next. That will be the plan. It made a huge difference. It was really good. So not eating cold dinner. When you make that many dishes and you try to do them over a 2-hour period, everything gets cold. So everything went in a chafing dish, was toasty, warm, and tasted delicious. So, boom. More money spent on Thanksgiving for next year. So, all right, let's get started. Oh, there it is. No, it's on. Look who came and see us. It's the amazing Justin Hopkins. He's the guy he's my son-in-law, and he wrote my my theme song.
It just came to me.
Well, we've got another one in mind too for traveling music.
Yep.
So we're working on a traveling music one, so we'll get that one. So you've seen his son here, Grady, welding with me and piddling around and doing oil change videos or whatever we did together. So anyway, all right, we're still working on the rest of this. I'm gonna visit with him for a few minutes and then I'll be right back. Okay, let's examine where we're at. Okay, so we've got most of this. Looks pretty good. See how crappy this is. This is gonna be fun to weld together. Anyway, we got all the rest off this, all the way around. This is a mess. This is such a mess. And then this is very pitted. I'm gonna get the disc out and I'm gonna try to hit this with the disc and see if I can make any dent in that rust. It's very pitted. It was surface rust, but that's pretty bad. That's still in there. So if I rust inhibited it with the black magic paint, it might help, but I don't really know. And then I've got these spots. So I'm gonna just get a disc and come out and just go zip, zip, zip with the disc and see if that makes any difference to me. That's what we're gonna do next. I just want one good coat on it, because it'll just rust, and all of this is going to be welded later, so these little black rubber things keep running around. I think they're spiders. It's kind of freaking me out a little bit. I didn't scrape those. I probably need to. I'll mark them in a minute. Remind myself to grind those off. Come back at them. I don't remember if I spray painted the other side. I don't remember. So we'll be flipping this over to see if we did. Okay. This up, store it over here, the other stuff, spraying, I'm sure, might as well, got it out, got the paint ready, spray paint. Okay, everybody spray paint. This will be fun. It's going to be wet and it's going to be magnificent. Oh, didn't spray it. What was I thinking when I was grinding it? Probably wasn't thinking, and that's what I'm going with. Riveting content. What an amazing spray painter he is. Look at that technique. Almost through the whole can. shadows are causing me trouble from the sunlight over there. Okay. All right, where's where we're going? All right, that's what we're going with. What we've got so far. All right. That's where we're at. So, yes. Okay. Super pleased about the amount of work I got done today, considering it was a holiday weekend. And this needed to get done because this is the next piece. Welding and fitting and welding and fitting my Z-bar that I purchased to build new frame sides. If you haven't been following along in the other videos, this will go here. Probably like this. Hold on. Fixing. Probably like this. Bingo! And then I'll weld it in place. And that's what it'll do. And then I'll have new sides. And then we'll have a new bed. Oh, so excited. All right, that's it. That's all I got this week. I hope you all once again had a great Thanksgiving. I know I did. And the Range Rover's running great. Oh, it's gonna be a busy week at work. All right, now I'm not thinking about work now. I'm thinking about the Range Rover and I'm thinking about pulling it back into the garage now after I move this. Like and subscribe. I know you love this content. I know. Like and subscribe. Give me a comment or two. I'd love to comment back. I love watching your videos from my regulars that I've been following. Really enjoy your videos too. I can say Tumbleweed Garage kind of is feeling the, I don't know what, it's got to be a syndrome, and we got to find out what the name of it is. But he's been struggling with his project. It's so many things, and I get it. Man, I feel that 100%. There is so many things necessary to get these things back on the road. I mean, I could go through this thing. I probably have another year's worth of work if I was really just stop and just did it. All of the hoses have to be replaced. These are at least 10 years old. They're not damaged, but you know, the first time you drive it somewhere, there's gonna be a pop. You just know there is. So you got to get all the new hoses. You got to do all the stuff. I mean, his vehicle's not even got wires on it yet. And he's already frustrated. And I get it, man. I totally get it. So, all right, what kind of camera angle shot are you giving us there? That's terrible. Okay, that's not any better. I look camouflaged. Okay, that's it. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate it. I'll see you next week. Have a good week, everyone.